It's 9 p.m. Still, like, it's a lot of snow outside, but it's not crazy amount of snow. And they said TikTok is back. I mean, for some people, that's real good news. But for other people that's just hating, there's a lot of people that was happy last night. Just the fact that an app got banned. Wow. And all it did was expose the type of society we live in. 2025. Like, TikTok was a way where some people were able to provide and take care of their families, right? How could you be happy if anything, right? In my opinion, they should ban OnlyFans before banning TikTok. That's just how I see it. If they can have OnlyFans where you have about 95% of the creators are men and women degrading themselves, then why not just leave TikTok or other apps where people find ways to make money legally, to do what they have to do? I think this is the most snow we had in like 2 years, because lately, these years, we really have not been getting snow at all. Like, we'll have a little bit, and then it'll stick for like a few days, like 2-3 days, and then boom, it goes away. And now on iPhones, we have the option to pause videos while recording. I mean, a lot of iPhone users have been asking for this feature for like the last 10 years, to be honest. Alright. We're having a snowy really snowing. I wasn't expecting this much snow at all. And driving out here, I see a few accidents too. Usually when you see an accident like tonight, it's gonna be from those small cars. Small cars are not good in the snow. I drive a SUV, so I'm kind of safe, but you never know. Even you could be just minding your business, and before you know it, somebody runs into you. That's a possibility. You just gotta be extra careful. it wasn't snowing, I could have just went around him. But since it's snowing, you just gotta be extra careful. Extra careful. I think that's cool enough. I'm making my NBA predictions for the playoffs, right? Predictions. In the West, I think Denver still got a chance to come out. I know you probably saying they're not even having a good regular season. I know, because I think SGA is going to win the MVP, and that's going to fuel the Joker to do what he got to do. And in the East, I still believe it's Boston. Celtics is the team to beat. Celtics are the team to beat. Oh shit. Are these cops or not? They just standing like in the middle of the street. I mean, when you got a gun and a badge with flashing lights, you can do that. Alright. Damn. That sounded crazy. Yeah. Look at these projects. A lot of crazy things happen in the projects, man. Like, no cap. It's really I'm just glad I don't live in the projects. Thank the Lord. Because I hear a lot of crazy stuff that goes on in the projects. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying I'm better than anybody that live in the projects, but all I'm saying is I'm just glad I don't live in the projects. Especially in the Bronx or Brooklyn or Queens or anywhere in Chicago. Chicago is crazy. Living in the projects or the complex in Chicago, that's different. That's a different type of hustle and grind. Can you hear that? Shaking my head. I'm really about to hit million subscribers. If you don't know, get with the program. It's coming sooner than you guys think. That million sub button, the plaque is coming in the mail real soon. It's gonna be crazy too. I'm gonna celebrate by flying. Who should I fly out? Who should I fly out? It has to be one of the female rappers. Definitely not Cardi B. Hell no. I'm not flying her out at all. I don't want that. This side is super tinted. You see the difference? Look. This front mirror has no tint. This one is tinted. See that? No tints. Well, the back is definitely tinted. Both back mirrors is tinted. I mean windows. I said mirrors. Donald Trump is the man. I mean, I don't agree with everything he says, but I think 8 out of 10 times, 80% of the time, he is right on the money. And you know what's crazy? NBA teams stopped going to the White House to see him when he was a president. Now, what the fuck is this? This idiot left his car door wide open. And just went in the house. Like, I don't understand some people. Why would you leave here? Now, what if somebody run in his car because he left it on, take it and drive away, and then what? Then he's gonna play a victim, right? Like, oh, it's not right. Yo, if you go to the gas station, if you park your car anywhere, doesn't matter what you're doing, always take the keys with you. Always take it with you. If it's necessary, turn the car off. Never leave your car running to do anything. It doesn't matter if you're just stepping out to throw a little piece of garbage. Shut it off. Take the keys with you. Don't be like this guy, all right? Don't be like him. Yo, it feels like it's 1 a.m., but it's only 9. It's only 9. I guess this is where we part ways. It was nice knowing you. So in the NBA Finals, I have Denver versus Celtics. All right. Listen, let's be realistic. The Cavaliers, OKC, until I see them run through the West or run through the East, at this point, I'm not impressed by regular season success. I've been watching NBA for too long. Every now and then we're gonna have a team that have a crazy season, but when the postseason starts, that first or second round, they go home right away. I've seen that too many times to, you know, have my hopes up for the Cavaliers or Oklahoma City. That's just me. Feel me? I'm not saying they won't do it, but it's not looking like it in the back of my mind. And you know I am a pro.